One of the best ways to summarize inventory management is in a blog on Oracle's website. Inventory management is the process of orchestrating the flow of goods through a company in a continuous cycle of ordering, storing, producing, selling, and restocking goods. Inventory management is generally performed at two levels: aggregate inventory management and item-level inventory management. In aggregate inventory management, companies make decisions between minimizing their inventory costs or holding more inventory to maximize customer service or production efficiency. Aggregate inventory management bridges to item inventory management through policies such as safety stock, and to inventory controls through policies such as ABC classification or order quantities, which take item-level attributes such as cost, lot sizes, and order lead times into account. Companies make this a reality in different ways. One of the ways that an organization can clarify goals for all audiences is through a clearly defined inventory management policy. The inventory management policy is typically a very simple description of an organization's goals, objectives, and plan for how they will manage all levels of inventory in their organization, from an aggregate level all the way down to an itemized level. We must keep in mind that the aggregate level of an organization looks at higher level strategic activities. As such, aggregate inventory management looks to establish and control the overall inventory investment in terms of total dollar value. This can be a complex task and generally requires an organization to focus on 4 different aspects that will help them control their overall level of inventory. The first is to understand what method of inventory valuation will be most beneficial to the organization. Next, a company must find a way to understand their inventory without hours and hours of digging, searching, and analyzing. To do this, a company must establish metrics or key performance indicators that will reveal how well inventory is being managed. Another very important aspect that all organizations must watch closely is how one area of the organization's actions might affect another area of the company. And finally, aggregate inventory management must ensure that people within the organization are always developing, especially in terms of understanding inventory. We call this inventory training. We'll cover these 4 areas in the next few videos, but before we go any further, share with us in the comments, community, or upcoming assignments what 4 areas of aggregate or strategic inventory management do you feel are most important? Remember, answering these questions sparks communication and may allow you to connect with others who have some great answers. This will help us all expand our knowledge and find more solutions that ignite your power. See you in the next video.